back, everyone. I have another modification video on my C8 Corvette, and today I will be installing this new set of diffusers that I just got off of eBay. It comes in this really nice gloss black finish. I chose this particular style diffuser because I like how it's a one piece. I bought these fins separately from Extreme Online Store, and I found they were really difficult to install, and not only that, there would be gaps between the fins and the bumper, so that you could see a visible gap there. So that's why I didn't like those fins, so I returned those and got this, which I really like. This style I think much better. I like how it's like one piece, so it's gonna be super easy to install. I won't see any gaps here. There's a little bit of orange peel here on the bottom, but it really is not noticeable because this is gonna sit really low on the car. But I would say overall, I would probably give this paint job maybe an 8 out of 10, but it looks really good. It's made out of this polyurethane type of material, and there you can see these just screw to underneath the car, and there weren't any instructions on how to install it, but in addition to the screws, I'm gonna run some double-sided tape along here, so it's gonna be nice and solid, and I think it's gonna give the C8 a nice aggressive look on the back of the car. Okay, now I've got the Corvette up on the ramps. Okay, so installation is going to be pretty easy. This one just basically slips over the factory bumper, just like that. But what I'm going to do is put maybe some double-sided tape along here on the top, and that'll give it a nice solid hold. And right away I can tell this looks much better. So this diffuser comes with these silver screws, which I don't like. I would have preferred them to be black, and they don't look like they're very good quality anyways, so instead of those, I'm going to use these black screws that are meant for screwing on auto body parts. So this is what I'll be using. Okay, so I'm going to start by just giving this a good clean. And like I said, I'm using double-sided tape. The instructions don't call for double-sided tape. It looks like they just screw on from underneath. But my plan is to run some double-sided tape along here on the top. That way this is going to be nice and secure, and then I can go ahead and screw this underneath. Now I can go ahead and remove this backing. Like I said, the instructions don't really call for double-sided tape, but I don't see how it wouldn't hurt just to put some on. It'll eliminate any type of vibration if there is any. So I'm going to do a fit right here and just drop that in place, just like that. Oh, very nice. All right, so that is pretty solid. Okay, so that's what it looks like so far after attaching just with double-sided tape. So as you can see here on the bottom, I still have to attach these screws, but right away I can tell this is going to look way better than stock. So that looks really good. Okay, here's another look. Man, that looks really aggressive. That looks really good. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and screw these to the bottom of the bumper. Nice. Oh, that's really nice and solid. So each of these fins has holes for 2 screws, but just the one screw like that is pretty solid. So I think I'm just going to do 1 screw per fin. Now let's move towards this one here. Now this one here is a little bit more problematic just because I've got this exhaust system, a 2M fabrication exhaust, which sounds incredible. Absolutely love it. For these fins, they put these tabs underneath so it gives you some space, and I think they do that so you don't drill into your factory exhaust. But I think I've got enough clearance. Yeah, that's really good. Wow. All right, continue on this side. I'm gonna screw in this one, and then this one, and I'll be done. Super easy install. Much easier than installing those fins that are offered by companies like Paragon, Extreme Online Sports. I tried them, didn't like them, so I returned them, and then I saw these, and I thought, okay, well, this one's gonna work really good. Perfect. Okay, that's it. Now we just sit back and enjoy this new diffuser. Very nice upgrade, in my opinion. That looks really sharp. Looks like it came from the factory. Okay, final check. Is it sturdy? 100%. This is not going anywhere. Any gaps? Nope. Absolutely no gaps because it's one piece. That's why I really didn't like those fins that you buy from companies like Paragon and Extreme Online Sports. Those ones you basically screw underneath like I did here, and then you screw from the screen onto the back of the fin, which is a real hassle, especially if you have the stock exhaust. You wouldn't be able to get your hand in there. Then they don't line up properly. They're kind of crooked, and that would just drive me crazy. But I like this. Super easy install, solid, no gaps. So fitment, I think it's great. I would give it a 9 out of 10. I just wish they were a little bit longer, so it'd be kind of more flush with here, but that's really minor. Okay, so fitment, check. Is it sturdy? Check. Does it look awesome? You bet. This looks pretty awesome in my opinion. So install is all done. Incredibly happy with how this turned out. Great quality diffuser. Absolutely recommend this modification. I think it just looks perfect on the car. So let's just take it down and take some more shots of this new diffuser.